You need to have some reserves in order to survive this thing. And if you don't, well, what are people doing? They're launching all these secondary businesses because it's become really challenging to raise capital. And if they're not selling because they don't want to sell at a discounted price, and they're not buying because there's no deals, well, how are you going to make some money to survive? And how are you going to stay present in front of center for your investors through this process and show leadership and show that you're sticking around? It's all stuff that people are juggling right now.
So let me ask you this question. You brought up a very good point that people are pivoting, they're getting into more, I would say, the side businesses, right? Because like we talked about that, I think multiple times before, how in California there was a gold rush. And I'm not sure how many people found the real gold in gold panning, but a lot of people who had the vision and they put their shacks outside and with the shovels and the buckets, they made more money.